This is Brian Shepard with the closing print. Today started out with the global PMIs, and actually they started out with tail end of last Friday's quarter end, month end, and into the new month, new quarter. We had a little bit of spillover of money left over and was put to work early. A lot of people left by midday. The S&Ps opened up, on the disappointing global PMI data, the manufacturing was a little light. It didn't stop the, push to the higher ground today. We actually got the, equities actually got through the 50-day moving averages in the Dow, the Russell, the S&P, NASDAQ. And we're several handles, a small percent, maybe 1% over the 50-day moving averages. The S&P topped out. They opened up at 1607 even, 1607.5 to 1608.5. That marked the early low, which held throughout most of the day. We got through that 1420 area in the S&P, the 50-day moving average. It took a little bit of doing, a little bit of time, but once it went through, it went pretty much straight up to 1620 even, which was the original high, and then came back to minor new high after that. The ISM data helped to push that through. We're still in this thing where good news is bad news, or bad news is good news. The markets will figure that out. Traders will decide what to do with this. But after the high, a lot of people cut out by noontime or so, and really it just faded back. There wasn't really any kind of support. The buyers were done, and the erosion happened over the last couple of hours. We did come down and make a new low at the end of the day, 1606.5, and they popped back up. The S&Ps are still up at 10 handles. The MOC was a small, which isn't even worth mentioning, 23 million to buy, and right now we're, as I said, we're trading up about 10 handles. Basically, we gave back roughly 2/3 of the day's gains from the highs of the day, and it was kind of a poor close. So we're not sure what's going to hit, what tomorrow brings, but as the day and the weeks go on, or the days go on, this 4th of July holiday, it's going to be looking pretty bleak on the way of volume. S&Ps have a volume right now of 1.5 million, and we expect that number to decrease throughout the week. Have a great night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.